back in a curious incident. About 20 villagers in Uttar Pradesh's Siddharth Nagar district on the border with Nepal, 270 kilometers from Lucknow, were administered 2 different vaccines as part of their first and second dose at a rural UP government hospital. Now, this incident took place at a primary health center in a village. They first administered the Covishield shot, and when they went in for their second dose, they were given Covaxin.
ये चूक तो है क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का अभी कोई मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ की कोई ऐसी गाइडलाइन नहीं है कि कॉकटेल लगे, जिसको जो पहला डोज लगना उसी को दूसरा डोज लगना। ये चूक तो है, जिसके लिए हमने इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर की थी और हमारे वरिष्ठ चिकित्सक लोग जाकर उनको इंक्वायरी की, उन्होंने अपनी रिपोर्ट दे दी है और उस रिपोर्ट के आधार पे जिन जिन दोषी लोगों को मैंने उनको स्पष्टीकरण उनसे मांगे हैं और जैसा भी उचित स्पष्टीकरण जो भी न्यायपूर्वक रहेगा वो हमारे स्तर का होगा तो हम उस पर अपना एक्शन लेंगे और जैसे ऊपर की स्तर का होगा तो पर हम उसे अग्रसित करेंगे आगे इस तरह की कोई एक्शन। हमने अपने जिला से अपनी टीम भेजी थी और उन्होंने एक लोगों से बात भी की है और वो अभी जो जिनको गलती से सेकंड डोज लग गई थी उनसे हमारी जिला की टीम गई थी, उन्होंने बात भी की है, उनसे हालचाल भी पूछा है यहाँ से जाकर और वो स्वस्थ हैं। अभी इनको किसी को कोई परेशानी नहीं, किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
पहले लगी थी कोविशील्ड और दोबारा लगाया गया है कोवैक्सीन।
पहली कब लगी थी आपको?
पहली लगी पहली 1/4/2021 को लगा है और दूसरा लगा है 14/5/2021।
तो जब आप वहाँ गए वैक्सीन लगवाने के लिए तो उन लोगों ने देखा नहीं कि आपको पहले क्या लगा था?
कुछ नहीं देखा होगा, बिल्कुल कतई नहीं उन लोगों ने देखा है। आशा दूसरे जगह खड़ी हुई थी और वो तो अपना बैठी हुई थी, संभाल करके बैठी हुई थी। कमलावती नाम था, क्या नाम था उसका?
तो इन लोगों ने मतलब दूसरी वैक्सीन आपको लगा दी?
हाँ, दूसरी वैक्सीन उसके जगह पर कोविशील्ड की जगह पर कोवैक्सीन लगा दी।
सुनने में आया है कि इसको लेकर के कमेटी वगैरह बनी है, तो कोई आपके पास आया था सब पूछने के लिए?
कोई नहीं आया,
सरकारी कर्मचारी है?
कोई नहीं आया, कोई कर्मचारी नहीं आया, ना सरकारी आया ना गैर सरकारी, कोई कर्मचारी नहीं आया पूछने के लिए।
And to get more on this, we have my colleague Alok joining us. Alok, major goof up there and a cause of concern?
Well, it most certainly is a cause of concern. Siddharth Nagar is a predominantly rural district where the vaccination drive is being led from these government rural hospitals, which are either primary health centers or community health centers. Now, it's a matter of great concern that something like this has managed to happen. I mean, if it happened to one person, maybe you could call it an oversight, but if it's happened to 20 people, then there certainly is something that is very worrying, you know. And while mixing vaccines is a subject of global research, but, you know, for it to happen on the ground in this manner is something that needs to be inquired into. The chief medical officer at least being transparent and saying that, yes, the goof up has happened, but that they are tracking everyone who got this cocktail of vaccines, so to say, and that at the moment these people are healthy. But I think they will need to be monitored a little more. And also the fact that one of the villagers whose soundbite we heard on air, he says that nobody from the health department has come to track him at least, and that again needs to be looked into. I think the other larger story here is also the slow pace of vaccination in India's most populous state. Their rate of vaccination is very, very less. While they claim that they have administered over 1 crore doses, when you look at the 23 crore population that this state has, it's nothing. And the other thing also is that the number of fully vaccinated people in Uttar Pradesh just remains over a little over 30 lakhs. I think 33 lakhs by last count, and some numbers must have been added to that. But even so, it is just about 1 to 2% of the state's population. So you only have 1 to 2% of the state population that is fully vaccinated. Again, a big cause for concern.
Right, Alok, would this also mean that they would have to go in to get themselves vaccinated all over again?
Well, I have absolutely no idea of this, and the chief medical officer or the government has also not reacted about it, reacted over this. I'm sure there will be a broader inquiry now, and maybe they'll decide what protocol to follow, because I don't think incidents like these have a precedent, so we can't really say what will happen. One does hope this is a one-off and it will not happen again.
Right. Thank you so much, Alok, for joining us with all those details.